If Photoshop is showing the VCRUNTIME140.Dll missing error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the fastest safe fixes, and I'll keep it simple so you can get back into Photoshop as quickly as possible. Also, if this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. The main fix is to install the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. This is the most common reason for the VCRUNTIME140.Dll error. Open your browser and go to Microsoft's official download page for the Visual C 2015 to 2022 Redistributable. Make sure you download both versions, the x64 file and the x86 file. A lot of people install only one, but Photoshop may need both, so don't skip this step. Once both files are downloaded, run the x64 installer first and complete the setup. Then run the x86 installer and finish that one too. After both are installed, restart your computer. This reboot is important because Windows needs to load the updated runtime files properly before Photoshop can use them. If the error is still there, the next step is to repair the existing Visual C++ installation. Open Control Panel, then go to Programs and open Installed Apps or Programs and Features depending on your version of Windows. Look for Microsoft Visual C 2015 to 2022 Redistributable. Click it, choose Modify, and then select Repair. Let Windows complete the repair and then restart again if prompted. If Photoshop still won't launch, the problem may be with the application itself. In that case, uninstall Photoshop completely, restart your PC, and then reinstall the latest version from Adobe Creative Cloud. A fresh install can fix broken program files that trigger the DLL error. You should also check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install anything available, especially system and security updates, because missing Windows components can sometimes cause runtime errors in Adobe apps. And one very important warning, do not download VCRUNTIME140.Dll from random websites. That can be unsafe and may create even more problems. Always use the official Microsoft Visual C++ package instead. So the quick fix is install both VC++ versions, repair them if needed, reinstall Photoshop if necessary, and keep Windows updated. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.